it's Happymailqueen. I'm back with another haul video. Today is a Dollar Tree haul. I wanted to go back and get some more Easter decorations. I've been watching Olivia's Romantic Home, and that is her channel on YouTube. She does a lot of DIY Dollar Tree items and decorations for the home and organization, things like that. So first of all, I found some more of the mesh, and I actually did go to two different Dollar Tree because I was actually looking specifically for the new Easter items, like the spring signs, Easter signs, and I didn't see any. I don't think they're in our stores yet. So these are repurchases. I don't remember if I got the purple one last time, but I did get a blue. And I thought I'd just stock up, because I'm really enjoying making those wreaths. I did get these foam eggs, and I know I have some egg decorations already. But these are teeny tiny, so I thought, let me just get these in case the other ones are going to be too big for a project. So I went ahead and just got a bag of these. So the Easter signs that I was able to find, actually I found only one Easter sign, and I think I've seen this before too, and it's the egg shape. This was the very last one at this particular Dollar Tree that I went to. So I went ahead and just got it in case, I don't know, I don't go to the Dollar Tree again, but I'm gonna try to. But I thought it was really cute. It's find a couple of other signs, but they're not Easter related. But here's one, and I thought it was just really, really pretty, and I think this would look really nice in my kitchen. So once Valentine's Day's done, I'm gonna just put this kind of sign up, home, family, that those kind of sentiments. So I love this one. I thought it was really, really pretty, and this one's a nice big family. Now I don't like the colors, you guys, so this will be repainted. I think I'm just gonna keep it all white. Since I made a flower arrangement for my kitchen or my dining table, I used this planter, and that's how I did my centerpiece. So I did grab a couple of more. The last time I was at the Dollar Tree, I got the bunny. So I decided, let me go ahead and just get the egg one in case I want to do, some kind of project. I do have dies, but I like these because these are nice and sturdy. And then in the gardening section, I did get some floral foam. I got the longer ones that fit perfectly with that planter. I like that it fits right in there. And you don't even really have to glue it if you don't want to. But I still glued mine. And then here's another one. Did I show you this one? I got the carrots. I did get this last time. I really like it. I think it's so cute. And I wanted to just repurchase because it only comes with 4. So just in case I do put this on a wreath. And I couldn't remember if I picked this up last time because I did pick up, I want to say I picked up the Valentine one. But this one's the spring one, and this says Spring Bunny and Welcome. And of course the welcome you can use any time of the year for, like your wreath. So we'll see what I do with this one. I might just paint it. Items that I found were these cute little bunny picks. I thought they were super adorable, and they had them with the blue bows too. So, but I only got the pink ones. Also get some of these just in case I like do a nest or something. And then I decided to get this. I've decided to just kind of stock up on it because, you know, summertime. This will be great also for nautical projects. So I decided to, you know, while I have them there, why not just grab them? And they do come in 9.5 feet or what is that, 2.9 meters. So I got those. And then I was also there for storage, and I didn't find any white. And the other ones that I got were rectangular shape, but this one's the square box. So they are just like the locker, you know, it has that same design, but I couldn't find that one. But this color was just, it's so pretty. It's like a aqua, and it's coming out like it's blue, but, or like a darker blue, but it's really not. It's more like aqua. And then I found this coordinating basket. It's the same color as that locker bin, but I love this weave on it. And it makes it like, it's sturdy. It's nice and sturdy, and they have handles on both sides. So it's a little cute little basket, and I thought this would be great for organizing things in my pantry, either my pantry or the laundry room. So we'll see. I found this one, and it's the same design, but it's a little tote. I thought it was so cute. It's a tote bag. Here, let me show you. And it's by Essentials. It's really cute, you guys. It's probably about 11 and a quarter inch across, and then including the handle, it's about 12 inches tall, 12 and a half inches tall, I would say. Then of course I had to look at the florals. I found these wisteria. I thought they were so beautiful. And I did pick up some purple flowers last time, so I thought, let me just grab a couple more purples. And then I really like this white lilac. They are so pretty, but I only found one, and I didn't find it at the other Dollar Tree, so I was kind of sad. But anyway, I'm going to mix this with other flowers, but it would have been nice if I tend to pick up at least 2 bunches of each kind. I don't know why, but that's just kind of my, you know, just the way I've been picking things up. Okay, I picked up these. I think they're called onion grass. So, and then these have butterflies or flowers. No, they're like butterflies on them. So I think you can take them off, but see? So these have pink butterflies on them. And then I got this one right here. This one has yellow butterflies. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use the butterflies. They're like fabric butterflies. They're really cute. But I thought these would be like great fill-ins as well, you know? So picked those up. And then what else? Oh, I think they're missing a couple. Maybe not. I also picked up these roses, and they're just so pretty. I just love that two-tone. And these are super pink, you guys, because lately the ones I've been picking are either, I've been finding the baby pink ones, but also the corally ones. And these are just, gosh, they're just really, really bright. I love it. So I picked up a couple of those. I do have some yellow flowers already. I have some sunflowers that I like to put in my kitchen, but these are really pretty too. Look, they're like roses. So I thought these were pretty, so I got a couple of those. And then I think these two combinations also look really good. The baby, I guess these are baby breath too. Huh, I didn't think they were, but that's what they're calling it. See, the pink, and I think they're just really pretty together. And I found some carnation, and they look really good, so I went ahead and picked those up. So I got a couple of these as well. Oops, there was my hair. Show you guys the wreath hanger. I did get another wreath hanger. Like this pink color for Easter. So I thought I would go ahead. They do have them in white as well. And I did also find a clear one. So, and that's it for my Dollar Tree Easter / spring haul. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.